Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm thrilled to take you on a walking tour of one of Barcelona's hidden gems, NovMar Beach. The beach is also perfect for swimming and snorkeling, and there are several places where you can rent equipment. Take a dip in the crystal clear water and marvel at the colorful fish and marine life that call this beach their home. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also try your hand at windsurfing or kiteboarding. The wind conditions here are perfect for these activities, and there are several rental companies that can provide you with the necessary equipment. As we make our way back down the boardwalk, you'll notice that there are several bars and restaurants along the way. These are the perfect spots to grab a cold drink or a bite to eat while enjoying the stunning view of the sea. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of NovMar Beach as much as I did. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!